Hey everybody, this is Buddy. I'm back on the Greenville Bridge. Today's May the 10th, and I wanted to show you the amount of water still coming down. Gonna be coming down the Mississippi River like this for a while. You can literally feel the bridge vibrating. This is the downstream side of the bridge. So you're looking at south, the Mississippi River flowing south. I hope you can feel and sense the volume of water that's tremendously coming down this river. They say it's enough to fill up the Superdome every 5 seconds, people. That's a lot of water. That boat that you see out there, that's a Corps engineer's boat. What he's doing is he's running soundings. He'll come all the way across the river and he'll go all the way back across. But what they're checking for is undermining of this bridge, which is not going to happen. I worked on this bridge in 2005 and I know what went into the construction of this bridge. This is interstate style construction for an interstate style bridge. It's heavy duty. It ain't going to go nowhere. But we do have them out there taking soundings, and they're just checking the flow, the volume, and the bottom. Lot of truck traffic. Lot of truck traffic. Well, this is Buddy with your river report. Keep coming back, checking the box for the latest updates. I'm out of here. See ya.